My name is Hassam Attari. I have more than 10 years experience in desktop application and web development. I am full stack developer using Angular and ASP.NET Core. I want to talk about software engineering and software engineering roadmap. I want to talk about how software engineering help us to better production. I want to talk about details of the roadmap of software engineering and going through this. Thank you very much, and let's see. I want to talk about 10 essential skills for software engineering. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Skills. Strong coding skills is talk about software engineers that must be proficient in at least one programming language such as Java, Python, or C++. Problem-solving skills. Engineers must be able to identify and solve complex problems, often under tight deadlines. Communication skills. Software engineers often work in teams, so they must be able to communicate effectively with other members of the team, as well as with clients and stakeholders. Attention to detail. Software engineers must pay close attention to detail to ensure that code is accurate, efficient, and error-free. Continuous learning. The field of software engineering is constantly evolving, so engineers must be willing to continuously learn new technologies and programming languages. Collaborating skills. Engineers often work with designers, product managers, and other team members to create software solutions that meet business requirements. Testing skills. Engineers must be able to design and execute tests to ensure that software functions as intended. Debugging skills. Engineers must be able to identify and fix problems in code, often under tight deadlines. Version control skills. Engineers must be able to use version control systems such as Git to manage changes to code and collaborate with other team members. Time management skills. Engineers must be able to manage their time effectively to meet project deadlines and deliver high-quality software solutions. It is talking about the short overview of the software engineering. Requirement gathering is identifying the needs and goals of stakeholders and documenting them in a clear and concise manner. Kind of interview is very important. Design is creating a plan for how the software will be developed and implemented, including the architecture, data structures, algorithms, and interfaces. Implementation is writing the code for the software according to the design specifications. Testing is verifying that the software functions as intended at identifying and fixing any defects or errors. Debugging is finding errors in the program and solve it. Deployment is releasing the software to the intended audience and making it available for use. Maintenance is in ongoing support and updates to the software to ensure that it continues to function properly and meet the needs of stakeholders. Configuration management is tracking and managing changes to the software throughout its life cycle, including version control and release management. Quality assurance is implementing processes and procedure to ensure that the software meets the desired quality standards and it's free from defects and errors. Software testing is one of subject of quality assurance, that you should learn about different type of testing such as unit testing, integration testing, and acceptance testing, and how to write and execute test cases. Project management is planning, organizing, and managing the resources and activities required to develop and deliver the software. Maybe after that is risk management, that involves identifying and assessing potential risks and developing plans to mitigate them. Programming languages. You should learn everything in software engineering, and one of them is very important, is programming languages. You should learn at least one programming language and become proficient in it. This will allow you to write code and create software applications. Data structures and algorithms. You should learn about different data structures such as arrays, linked lists, and trees, and algorithms such as sorting and searching, and how to use them effectively. Software engineering principles. Software design patterns. You should learn about software design patterns, which are usable solutions to common software design problems. Principles. You should learn about principles of software engineering, such as modularity, encapsulation, and abstraction. Software engineering processes. You should learn about the software engineering processes such as waterfall model, the iterative model, and the agile model. Software architecture. You should learn about software architecture, which is design of the overall structure of software system. This is about professional ethics. You should learn about ethical principles, standards, and that guides the behavior of software engineers, such as honesty, integrity, and respect for others. Has talked in previous slides, and even adaptability, that depend on the culture of the team, problem solving, time management, leadership, and attention to detail. Finally, you should know about customer service, that the production delivered to the customer, and you should maintain and service to the customer.